Soup Recipes applications for Android are culinary apps designed to provide users with a wide variety of soup recipes, ranging from traditional favorites to innovative modern dishes. These apps cater to soup enthusiasts and home cooks by offering easy-to-follow instructions, ingredients lists, and cooking tips to create delicious soups. The Best Soup Recipes apps typically feature diverse categories, including vegetarian, meat-based, hearty, and seasonal soups, ensuring that users can find recipes suited to their taste preferences and dietary needs. Many apps include user ratings, reviews, and photos to help users choose the best recipes. Additionally, these applications often provide nutritional information, cooking times, and serving suggestions, enhancing the cooking experience. Some may also include features for meal planning and saving favorite recipes. Overall, Soup Recipes apps serve as a valuable resource for anyone looking to explore the world of soups and enhance their culinary skills.